that you are thinking about learning Tableau and transition your career from Excel-based reporting to Tableau-based reporting. The main objective of this course is to get yourself comfortable with Tableau's inner working so that whatever you have learned so far within the Excel, you can very easily and smoothly transition your learning into the Tableau with the similar set of reports, charts, tables that you are creating. I will walk you through about how you can create it in the Tableau with the connection with the Excel, about how you do the things in Excel and then how the similar thing you will do in Tableau. All right, let's get started with a quick introduction of myself. So here I am. My name is Abhishek Agarwal and I have some 12 plus years of experience into business intelligence, reports and dashboard development. Out of that, I have 3 plus years of experience specifically into Tableau development, and I've worked in many major banks like HSBC, Bank of America, and a couple of telecom and IT companies, where my main responsibility was to develop the business intelligence solutions. And finally, I've worked in the domains like information security, sales, PMO, and telecom, so gathered quite a few use cases about how business intelligence tool can really provide value to these domains. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick introduction of Tableau. So Tableau is now the industry standard BI reporting and dashboarding tool. Anyone who is working in the field of business intelligence, dashboard and report development have heard about it, and many companies are currently using it for their dashboard and report related development. So one of the very good thing about Tableau is that it's very business user friendly. Business users are those who are basically needs to analyze the data, and Tableau provide them this functionality because of their proprietary WizQL technology. So that's like simply drag and drop the things and your visualization will be created. So we will be seeing in upcoming videos about how we can simply go ahead and create a visualization in just a quick few steps. And that's what the next point is, that you can create simple to complex visualization in just few steps. You even thinking about that the visualization is becoming complex is just because you are keep on dragging the objects, and you are just trying in your mind thinking about, okay, this is how the visualization should look. So if you do this similar visualization in any other tool like Excel, it will take like a number of hours, but here it's just a matter of minutes. So that's why it's simple to complex visualization in few minutes or few steps. And finally, it's integration with R and Python for advanced use cases. So after you have got a good familiarity, have spent good amount of time in development of Tableau related dashboards and reports, then you can go ahead and even integrate this with R and Python to advance your studies in the dashboard development and report development. All right. After this, why Tableau? Well, we have covered quite a lot in the previous slide, so let's see a couple of other points. So first of all, adopted by 50,000 plus organizations worldwide. Quite a big use case why you should learn Tableau, because that opens up a lot of job opportunities for you, as well as a medium where you can up your skill and get a promotion in your existing company. And I'm sure that somewhere in one or the other department, somebody must be using the Tableau. It's just that getting to know about that fact. Second thing is about patented WizQL technology for fast and beautiful visualization. So visualization query language, that's what it stands for, WizQL. So what it basically allows you is to query the data or query the visualization based on the visualization you have created. So for example, you have created a bar chart. You can click one of the bar from in that bar chart and your entire data or an other visualization will be filtered. So that's basically the beauty of it, and it's basically a very user friendly for both developers and normal business users. So developers generally have their mind only onto the development, but business users have the mind on both the sides, little bit of development and more on the analyzing the data. So it is basically for both developers and normal business users. And now let's go ahead and do a quick demo. So let me go to the Tableau, and here I am. So as you can see, I am into the Tableau, and I am using one of the Superstore Tableau workbook, which you will get once you will download it. So here the interesting thing is that what I'm showing you is the dashboard. So that's an overview tab. So once you download and open this sheet Superstore, you will get these different tabs. And the idea I wanted to give you is that the various functionality which is present. So as you can see at the top, you have some KPI information, and down here you have a map, and down there you have further drill down. On the right hand side, you have the filter. So different regions like central. So whatever you will select, entire information will be filtered, east or south. After you have filtered that, you can apply another filter like based on order date. So that's one of the way, and profit ratio, all that information that you want to really filter it and make your analysis very specific as a business user. And apart from that, you have product tab, you have customers tab with pretty much information based on the tab that is saying. So it's a very customer specific information along with the filters. So here you have year filter along with the product category, product segment, and all that. So we will see a lot in detail about how we can create such sheets and such visualization, which is very useful for the business user. So for example, one of this is called the heat map table, or generally you have seen in Excel as a conditionally formatted table. So which you can clearly see that these two, 32,000 and 33,000, is basically the highest one, because that's what the range is saying based on the color. Down there you have profit ratio for this particular chart. So what it is basically saying that if it is a dark gray, that means a very good profit ratio, and if it is minus 50%. And in red, then it is a very bad. So here in this case, this is pretty bad. So just while looking at the visualization within the Tableau, you can really, a business user can really understand what is really going on with the data. So we will see how easy it is to create this entire visualization in just a couple of steps. It's just that we need to have a very good understanding of our data. And as a developer and a business user, we are generally very much aware about how our data is, and how then it is more or less like understanding Tableau from the perspective that how we need to use that data. So with that, let's go back to our presentation. That's a quick demo, just so that you can get a feel of it about how things looks like in Tableau. I know it will be a little bit advanced for you right now, but as we will move on step by step, I'm pretty sure you will create the sheets and dashboards better than this. Okay, so finally, the topics in this course that I will going to cover. I'm going to cover how you can load the data from Excel file, because we are talking a lot about transitioning from Excel. So we will take it as a data source, and generally most of the times we get the data source in Excel format itself. After that, we will cover some visualizations like bar chart, pie chart, or line chart. Mostly these are the charts that we create, and I will cover few other charts based on the some of the like map chart that we have just seen, and a couple of others in the video. Next, we will see how we can create custom calculations. So many times the information is not with us, and within the Excel we create new columns based on the calculation on the existing columns. So based on that, we will see how we can create the similar thing in Tableau. After this, we will see the use of if statement. I'm pretty sure in your reporting you have done that, and we will do the same in Tableau. VLOOKUP, we will see the Excel's similar to Excel, how we can do the VLOOKUP here in Tableau. Simple table creation, pivot table creation, pretty much every time we create, whenever we are creating report and dashboard. After that, filtering the data, very important topic. You have just seen that you can do the filter by year, you can do the filter by region and other ranges that is there, like sales range, profit range, and all that. Then we have formatting of data. Sometimes, as you know, not only creation of beautiful your visualization or table is important, but formatting of data also. So we'll see that. We will see conditional formatting of data. We will see parameters. That's a bit of an advanced topic, but I will cover it so that you are going away with this course with something much more meaningful than just transitioning from Excel to Tableau. And then what if analysis, how we can do that, we will see that. Then creating reports, dashboards, and stories. So stories is a new thing, and I will cover in this video about why stories are useful, and I'll give you a very specific use case that will help you understand the different, or you can basically do the difference between reports and dashboards and then in stories. Why you should create a story, not the report and dashboard. You will get to know about that. Finally, we will see the top 10 rows. I think that's one of the feature every dashboard has, about top 10 sales by profitability, top 10 sales by geo and whatnot. So we will cover that in the video and get this thing in action. So this is pretty much all I have for you in this course, and I'm super excited that you are thinking about this course. So go ahead and enroll in this course, and I will see you there with all of this material to get you up and running with this transitioning from Excel to Tableau course, and that will be basically making you comfortable with Tableau's inner working. So see you there in the course. Bye.